Happy 4th of July weekend, everyone. It is a beautiful day today. I think it's supposed to rain a little bit this weekend, but I have a hard time believing that's going to dampen anyone's spirits. Town is full of people. Everybody's out there ready to have a good time. I hope you do as well. As always, if you'd like the detailed version of the report that I'm recapping right now, go to my website, enjoybendlife.com/blog. If you're on Instagram, just go to my profile and click the link. It'll take you to the same spot. So a couple of things today. First, mortgage rates dropped. The 30-year fixed rate national average, according to mortgagenewsdaily.com, is 5.72% as of this morning. That's about a half a point drop from the peak just a week or two ago. So that's good news. If you're out there looking for a house, mortgage rates have come down a bit. The other thing is home prices. There's a lot of talk recently of people thinking that home prices are going to tank, that the market's going to tank, that the economy's going to tank. The economy isn't doing well. After the Q2 numbers come out, I fully expect that that'll be negative, which will technically, by definition, put us into a recession. 2 consecutive quarters of negative gross domestic product is a recession, so we're probably there. But in terms of inflation, the Fed raising interest rates is, yes, hurting the economy, but no, not really driving prices down, because a lot of the price issues are supply chain in terms of retail type products, and with housing, it's inventory. We have probably half the inventory that would be typical for a normal selling season, and yes, the inventory is increasing, but to think that it's going to double between now and the end of 2022 selling season is not reality. That's not going to happen. In terms of house prices dropping, again, in combination with inventory rising, we really need to see days on market increase, and not from 10 days to 15 days or even 20. We're talking 60, 90, 120 days. If you see an increase like that for days on market for a home for sale, sure, home prices are going to start coming down, especially combined with a lot of inventory. But that's not happening. So if you're waiting, I just don't really see that the conditions are going to get a lot better. If you see a home that you like, I think now is a really good time to consider stepping up. Candidly, I don't think that homes are very good short-term investments. Sure, some people are able to buy, fix up and flip and make a profit, but for the average person that's looking for a place to live, you don't want to time the market any more than you want to time the market in, if you're looking at stocks and bonds. Dollar cost averaging, if you're buying stocks, it's kind of hard to dollar cost average a home unless you're buying multiples, but you're really looking at a long-term investment. And if you see something that is within your budget and that you like, I think now is a great time. There's reduced competition, no question about that. We're not seeing as many multiple offers, but desirable, well-priced homes are still selling quickly. So that's about it. Everybody's situation is different. If you've got a lot of time on your hands, or not on your hands, but on your side in terms of when you need to purchase a home, waiting might be all right. We might get to a point where the market continues to decline. But until that happens, I would keep an eye out on homes that make sense for you, and consider making an offer if you find something that looks good. Thanks a lot, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. I look forward to talking to you again next week.